Thomas Smoker from WhyHow AI.
Cool. Hi, everyone. So we are the co-founders of WhyHow, and we are building data infrastructure for more structured context and more structured knowledge. And one of the most common technologies that we're using behind this is knowledge graphs. And so we're making it easier to combine workflows between LLMs, domain experts, and developers to create graphs. And so what I'm showing is our product that's currently in beta at the moment. Everything that you see in front of you is completely replicated with an SDK that we have. And some of the things that we focus on here that we don't see in the market is really very granular control over the schemas that you use to create graphs, multiplayer graph creation, as well as very modular graphs for multi-agentic workflows. So just showing what we have so far. We accept a whole bunch of file formats, so like structured and unstructured data, PDFs, TXTs, CSVs, JSON file formats. We focus very much on being able to control the schema and using that schema to control the graph output, and ultimately being able to create a graph really quickly through this process. So being able to select schema, being able to select this graph right here. And so in terms of the graph that we have, just clicking through, you can see that we believe in like hybrid approaches. So you can see like nodes, triples, and also the underlying kind of chunks that are represented in your data. And you can just very easily kind of create nodes and triples through this process in a very no-code manner. You can do entity resolution, and this has like a rule-based system, so it gets smarter and smarter over time. And we also allow you to kind of share this graph, make it public, export it to any database of your choice, and ultimately be able to query the graph. And in this process, be able to see the nodes, triples, and ultimately all the different chunks where it comes from. So you can get more deterministic, more accurate, and more auditable RAG outputs. And that's us. Thank you so much.